In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download OneNote on Windows 11. If you want a simple way to take notes, organize ideas, and keep everything in one place, OneNote is a great tool to have on your PC. The good news is that installing it on Windows 11 is quick and straightforward. And in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, press the Windows key on your keyboard. This opens the Start menu and lets you search for apps installed on your computer, as well as tools and services available in Windows. If you're new to Windows 11, this is one of the fastest ways to launch almost anything. Once the Start menu is open, type Microsoft Store, then press Enter to open the app. The Microsoft Store is the official place to download apps on Windows, so it's the safest and easiest way to get OneNote installed. Give it a moment to load fully if your internet connection is a little slow. When the Microsoft Store opens, click the search bar at the top of the window. This search bar helps you find apps, games, and other content available in the store. Make sure you click directly into the bar so your typing goes there. Next, type OneNote and press Enter. The store will search for the app and show you the relevant result. Look for Microsoft OneNote in the results, so you're selecting the correct app. Taking a second here to confirm the app name is a good idea, especially if multiple similar results appear. After that, click Install if you haven't installed it yet. Windows will then begin downloading and installing OneNote automatically. Depending on your system and internet speed, this may take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. During installation, you may see a progress indicator, so just wait for that to finish. Once the install is complete, OneNote will be available on your Windows 11 computer and ready to open. At that point, you can launch it from the Microsoft Store or later by using the Start menu search again. And that's all it takes to download OneNote on Windows 11. As a quick tip, if the install button doesn't appear, it may mean the app is already installed on your device. In that case, you may see an open button instead. If this guide helped you, you can replay it anytime as a quick reference while you go through the steps yourself.